23rd question. The correct order of acidic strength of the following carboxylic acids is. It is the 2019 advanced question. These are the four carboxylic acids. Here this one, propioic acid, propenoic acid, paramethoxybenzoic acid, propanoic acid. Among these, what is the acidic strength order? How to compare the acidic strength order? To compare the acidic strength order, we have to compare the stability of the conjugate base. If a conjugate base is more stable, corresponding acid is more acidic. That's like that we have to compare. Now see, here this carboxylate ion here attached to sp hybridized carbon, for which percentage of S character is 50%. Here carboxylate ion attached to sp3 hybridized carbon, 25% is S character. Here and here carboxylate ion is attached to sp2 hybridized carbon, for which 33.3% is S character. With increasing the percentage of the S character, electronegativity of the hybrid orbital increases. Now, if electronegativity is more, minus I effect is more, then with increasing the minus I effect, it can stabilize the carboxylate ion. So, when compared with this one, these two carboxylate ions are more stable. When compared with these two, this carboxylate ion is more stable. Why? Electrons withdrawing tendency, minus I effect increased. So when compared with this, these two are more acidic. When compared with these two, this one is more acidic. Now in between these two, which one is more acidic? See, both are sp2 hybridized carbons. Both are sp2 hybridized carbons. But here OCH3 methoxy, it exhibits positive mesomeric effect. So by plus M effect, it will destabilize a little bit this carboxylate ion. So when compared here, such type of electrons donating group is not there. So when compared with this carboxylate ion, little bit less stable. So when compared with this acid is less acidic. So finally, what is the acidic strength order? 1 greater than, 2 greater than, 3 greater than 4. So correct answer is option C. Come to the next section. Fourth question. Among the following, correct stability order is R. Stability order they want. In the first option, carbanions stability order they asked. In the second option, carbocation. In the third option, free radicals. In the fourth option, carbenes. First come to this one. Here to this C minus, electron withdrawing group with C double bond attached. It is triphenyl methyl carbanion. Generally we expect that here resonance possible with 3 benzene rings. So that's why we expect that it is more stable. But no. See, to the carbanion C minus, if electrons withdrawing groups with more electronegative atom like C double bond O, aldehyde ketone, COOR ester, C triple bond N, cyanide, if they are attached, then such carbanions are more stable than the triphenyl methyl carbanion. Why? Why? Because in its resonance structure, negative charge is at more electronegative oxygen nitrogen atoms to the C minus when C double bond O, C triple bond N are attached. Then in their resonance structures, negative charge will be at more electronegative atoms. So because of this reason, this resonance structure is stable. Because of that reason, this type of carbanions are more stable than the triphenyl methyl carbanion. So option A correct only. Come to this. Now, cyclopropenyl carbocation, cycloheptatrienyl carbocation or tropylium ion, both are aromatic. Both are aromatic. Now how to compare the stability? Actually, here some experimental data is required. See, in gas phase, here carbocation's stability is inversely proportional to hydride ion affinity. Lesser the hydride ion affinity value, more the stability. Now for this cyclopropenyl carbocation, hydride ion affinity 223 kilojoules per mole. For this propylene ion, 200 kilojoules per mole. For this hydride ion affinity value less. So this is more stable. This is more stable than this. So it is incorrect statement. Option B, incorrect statement. Now come to this free radicals. Ethyl free radical, this one. In this case, to this free radical, electrons with ion groups attached. Here, in case of carbocations, electrons donating groups will stabilize the carbocations. Electrons with ion groups will destabilize the carbocations. But in case of carbanions, negative charge, electrons with ion groups will stabilize the carbanion. Electrons releasing groups will destabilize the carbanion. But surprisingly, in case of free radicals, both electrons releasing and electrons without ion groups can stabilize the free radicals. It is called push and pull effect or cathode-active effect. Now, here, when compared with this, here, in these two cases, resonance possible with this, so these two are more stable. And one more point, with increasing the electronegativity of the atom, which is involved in this push and pull effect, cathode-active effect will decrease. So that's why stability will decrease. First here, no cathode-active effect. In this two, cathode-active effect are possible. So that's why these two are stable. See, how to write this one? See, this electron together, here pi bond. Here one unpaired electron. Like this, we can write the resonance structures. Now this type of cathode-active effect will decrease with increasing the electronegativity of the atom which is involved in. Here nitrogen, here oxygen. When compared with the nitrogen, oxygen electronegativity more na. So in between these two, cathode-active effect more in this one and less in this one. So that's in between these two, this one less stable. So this stability order correct only. Next come to the fourth option. Singlet carbenes. See, in the singlet carbenes, this carbon undergoes sp2 hybridization. In this sp2 hybrid orbital, this non-bonding electron pair is there. Now it is the empty 2p orbital. It is a 2p empty orbital. Now, due to this reason, only in case of singlet carbene, not in case of triplet carbenes. To this singlet carbene, if plus m groups are attached, then they can stabilize the singlet carbene by plus m groups by resonance. Like this, here empty 2p orbital and lone pair parallel. So delocalization possible. So that's why singlet carbene stabilized by plus m groups. Next. So when compared with this, fluorine, oxygen, nitrogen causes the plus m effect. So when compared with this methylene carbene singlet, these three are more stable. And in between these three, how to compare the stability? In periods from left to right side, electronegativity increases na. Because of that reason, plus m effect decreases. So Nr2 to OR, next OR to fluorine, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, electronegativity increase in the plus m effect. So electrons donating tendency decreased. As a result, stability decreased. As a result, stability decreased. So these are the correct only. So what is the correct answer? Options A, C and D are correct. B is incorrect. Now come to the next question. In polar protic solvent, among the following, which is are strongly nucleophilic than the acetate ion? Among all these, which are strongly nucleophilic than the acetate ion? hydroxide, phenoxide ion, thiophenoxide ion, paramethyl benzene sulfonate ion. Stability, sorry, nucleophilicity we have to compare. See, in acetate ion, what is the nucleophilic atom? Oxygen. Here also nucleophilic atom oxygen. Here and here also oxygen. One point is there. When the nucleophilic atom is the same, basic strength and nucleophilicity will match with each other. Sir, these two always they don't match with each other. See, when the nucleophilic atom size is not so high, nucleophilic atom size difference is not so high, that is in the periods. Nucleophilicity and basic strength both will match with each other. Both will match with each other. But down the group, when the size of the nucleophilic atom difference is more, they generally in the polar protic solvent, nucleophilicity and basic strength are anti-parallel to each other in general. Down the group, nucleophilicity will increase, but basic strength will decrease. In the groups, anti-parallel. But now when donor atom is same, then nucleophilicity and basic strength both will match with each other. Now see, acetate ion is from acetic acid, OH minus is from water, phenoxide is from phenol, this is from paramethyl benzene sulfonic acid. First, let me compare their acidic strength. Among these, first which one is more acidic? Sulfonic acids are more acidic. Next, acetic acid, carboxylic acids more acidic. Next, phenols. Next, water. Now, if acid is strong, its conjugate base is weak. Now, their conjugate base is basic strength order, quite opposite order. So, paramethyl benzene sulfonate less than, acetate ion less than, phenoxide less than, OH minus. It is the basic strength. When donor atom, when nucleophilic atom is same, basic strength, nucleophilicity will match with each other. So when compared with acetate ion, this is less nucleophilic. Now, when compared with acetate ion, phenoxide hydroxide, these two are more nucleophilic. So these two are more nucleophilic. A and B correct. What about this one? Thiophenoxide. It is the conjugate base of thiophenol. Here donor atom sulfur not. So like this we should not compare. Now oxygen sulfur, same group, 6th group. Down the group, size of the nucleophilic atom increase. So polarizability increases. As a result, nucleophilicity increases. Already we know that when compared with acetate ion, phenoxide ion, good nucleophilic. Now when compared with phenoxide also, thiophenoxide, still strong nucleophilic. So this one also more nucleophilic than acetate ion. So what is the correct answer? A, B and C. It is the correct answer. Now let me write the next questions. Which of the following is correct? Which order is are correct? Now acidic strength, see, this acidic strength, see, it is the cis isomer, trans isomer. Cis isomer more acidic than trans isomer. Here also cis isomer is more acidic than trans isomer. See, in case of alpha beta unsaturated carboxylic acid, irrespective of the nature of the substituent present at the beta carbon, it may be the electron withdrawing group or electrons releasing group. Irrespective of the nature of the substituent, this cis isomer is more acidic than trans isomer. Cis isomer only more acidic than trans isomer. Just like ortho-substituted benzoic acid is more acidic than benzoic acid and all its position isomers. This is because of steric factor. So irrespective of the nature of the substituent at beta carbon, always cis isomer only more acidic than trans isomer. It is electrons releasing group. It is withdrawing group. Irrespective of the nature, cis isomer only more acidic than trans isomer, just like the ortho effect in benzoic acid. Next, now come to the basic strength of this one. See, in between these two, which one is more basic? In between these two, which one is more basic? Now this one, here we can put this one actually given. In between these two, which one is more basic? See here, when any one of these two nitrogen is protonated, now you will get conjugate acid. What we know? How to compare the basic strength? If the conjugate acid of the base is stabilized, is stable, then the corresponding base is more basic. Now, when it is protonated, it is stabilized by intramolecular hydrogen bonding between this lone pair and this hydrogen. So that's why in its conjugate acid, intramolecular hydrogen bonding possible. So it is ready to accept proton. Here in its conjugate acid, such a type of intramolecular hydrogen bonding not possible. So that's why this one only more basic. This type of compounds are called proton sponges. They can take the protons easily. This type of compounds behaves like proton sponges. So this acidic strength order also correct. Now come to the third option, second option, free radicals stability order. In all these, what is the difference? Here, in this free radical, just alkyl group is there. Here, when compared with this, here, there is conjugation with one double bond. Here, there is conjugation with two double bonds. So, conjugation increases and stability increases. So, this one also correct. So, the correct answer is A, B, C and D.